Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about how to know market trend. As forex beginner, you need to know these basics fundamental in forex trading. These are the things that will aid to progress your goals as a forex trader, as a beginner also. Yeah, though learning never ends. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if this is your first time, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more better and featured videos like this. So without wasting much time today, I just want to show you how we identify trends in markets. So let me go to my M24, my M25. I'm going to use M25 today. So these are the list of currencies, as I said earlier in my previous videos. So let me use Euro USD, open chart. So Euro USD, as you can see here on a weekly, on a monthly time frame, I think on a monthly time frame, look at it. On here is on a downtrend. On a monthly candlestick pattern, here is downtrend, as you can see. Then if you come here now, you will look this place. How many candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candle broke. Then it took only 3 candles to bounce back to the place. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 1, 2, 3 to come back to its normal place to stabilize. And then here is 4. So in this place, there is change of market direction since it has come back to its previous support zone. So what I'm going to do here, sometimes we use line charts so that beginners will know. Line chart is something like this. As you can see, look at it. It has come and break support, support break and become a resistance. Support, yeah. It break and become a support. So look at here, support here. But it does break a resistance and break and turn to support. So now it's going up. That's change of direction. This is on a monthly time frame. So let me go back to, let me say, weekly, so that you can see different things. On weekly, look at what you can. On weekly, look at what is happening here. On weekly, you can see this change of direction. The direction is downtrend here, but from here it has changed direction, because in this place, resistance becomes a support. By doing it here, I'm going to show that on my next videos, how to know support and resistance, because every fundamental, every analysis kick and start from support and resistance. So as you can see here is the limit. Here is the limit. Here I can say, here we call it engulfing by candle that's been broken and it becomes a resistance. So when price come back here, it becomes a resistance. But when price break it here, becomes a support. It break and come back and retest. As it break, it come back and retest, and now it's going up. It still come back, want to retest, and go up again. So this is how we know market change direction. So earlier this year, it break this resistance level and become a support. So that's why it goes for how many weeks? Imagine if you are a swing trader. For how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 7 weeks on a profit, high profit, let me say how many pips? If you can hold 650 pips a movement. This huge amount of money. So as we deep dive, this is weekly time frame. As we know, this is the market direction, because if I change to line chart, you still see the same thing. Do you see what happened? After it come and break, after the chart has come and break and go up and go up. So now it's trying to come back. So it might reach here. This trend might reach here and it might not reach. So go back up. So let me go back to daily. Look at daily. Look at what is happening here.
That's the way to wet. That's what it's what you do it. Doing we to keep well and the
So daily, look at what happened on daily time frame. Look at it. After it break those places that I'm telling you about, how the price come back and break, it retraces and come back, retest and go and go. So this is change of direction that we call that we do it like this. Look at it. This is uptrend pattern. So we see higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. That can go up again. So this trend is uptrend. This market is going on a daily perspective. So I know it's weak, but it might take time, Dosha. Look at it. It might take time. It might take time before it go up. So here is what we are anticipating. Here is what we are anticipating. It might go up, continue, or it might break and come, because forex is a game of probability. But let your probability be high. You understand? So Euro USD is an uptrend on based on this analysis. But as an intraday, after you have already know this characteristic, then what you need to do, you need to just come back and focus on this side. What is happening in this side? On a daily perspective. On a daily perspective, it has become a downtrend in this place, because you are looking for a short move, a shorter move that you are going to enter the market and stack. Like, let me use example now here. Let me use example here, was like this. As you can see, the price is coming back up. So look at what is happening. Many people use this as a pattern. As you can see, what is happening, resistance and support. It break at the test. So in some of my featured video, I'm going to explain this more better. So this is how to know market pattern, and this has changed direction to downtrend on a daily perspective. Like last week, what happened in last week? People were selling. There was massive sell on this Euro USD. On the Euro USD, there was massive sell on it, as you can see, up, down. So in this place, it has reached on daily time frame on this week, it has reached a support level here. So we don't know what will happen. Either it will bounce back up or it will break the support. In like this place before this place, there's high probability in this place, because this is an engulfing buy. And this is an engulfing buy. This is an engulfing buy. As you can see, the price not even come back to this zone, and it went up. And if I check further from the back side, there's another engulfing sell. There's engulfing sell in this region here. There's engulfing sell, but the sell was broken. The sell was broken. And the sell was broken. So when it broke, as you can see, when it even retrace, it's just retrace here and go up, went up, then before it's begun to shoot down, coming back. But in the essence, what I'm going to show you is here, the power of this zone. This is on a daily zone. What happened? When price come back into bounce either up or down. So this is what is going to happen on Monday, because I'm recording this video. Today was Sunday. The market is not moving. So that is the reason. So what you are going to do now, since we are intraday, what we are going to do, we already know the market trend is downtrend, and there is potential and probably the market is going to turn back up. So what we're going to do, we'll dive into H4.
Yes, I'm saying good. I'm good.
H4. It's even in H4, you can see the thing that I draw very well. If I use line chart, you will see it clearly. There's no doubt. Like, let me use line chart so that you will see. Look at what is happening on the line chart. Look at it. So, let me use this chart and draw what I drew before. As you can see, higher high or just come back. After it's come here, look at it, it break, come back, look at it. Did you see what is happening? Then before he started making small move. So now look at this place. It's trying to make double bottom for a potential retracement to go up. And this potential retracement is going to go higher and higher. It will break. It's going to break. It's going to break. It's going to break all these places. It's going to break here. If this double bottom made manifest, it's going to break and come back to its initial zone. So next week, being tomorrow Monday, I'm be looking for potential buy on this pair. So this is how to know market direction. This is simple method of knowing market direction. As you can see, touch my blue box that I drew. Even in my blue box, if I don't want to lose much, I know where to mark. But here is what many people will not tell you about. After I've drew that, look at what is happening. Now you can see it break and go and touch and come back. As you can see, it break here, it become a support. It break, look at it, support. Then from there it begins to go down and go down. Then here is like it wants to create M pattern. Please, I'm sorry for all this. It's just for better explanation so that it will be better. So this is what is happening. So I'm potentially looking for a buy on Monday, which is tomorrow, on H4 perspective. But as an intraday, we can still use H1 to know what we are going to look for on this pair on Monday. H1. As you can see on H1, it has already made an indication here. Many intraday traders are going to use this. This is W pattern. Look at it. This is it. This is it. If you want to retest, then it go up. If you retest this one, it not break, it will go up on a 1 hour time frame. So this is what is going to happen. Let me turn it back to its normal color. So this was what I was trying to tell you. Let me use the drawing tool. As I said, there will be a double bottom. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Double bottom in this zone. No bottom. So price might decide to come back and retest this zone, because here it has already broken an engulfing cell in this zone. It has broken. So immediately it retests here, it might fly and go up. This is a change of direction character. But let's wait and see how the Monday it will react in the place. Let's see how it will react on Monday in the place.
It's still in the check, but I think I'll. You cannot choose to check. It's like it's an EPO.
Let's see how it will react. I'm sorry for the call. For that call. So after that, we just have to then wait. We just have to then wait and see what is going to happen on Monday. So this is the right way, and this is how I used to check market direction and market trends in the market. So try to do this as well. Since today is fresh, today is Sunday, and tomorrow we implement it. Even tomorrow, as you watch, you can still the video is going to be there uploaded on the YouTube. So try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So peace. See you on my next video. I'm going to talk about support and resistance, the key factors, how to know this chart pattern, how to read candlestick. I don't want to use cramp chart pattern. You understand? I wanted to understand the concept behind every candlestick so that you can be able to make your journey fast and progressive. Yeah, we rise by lifting order. Peace. I still remember Balafxofficial.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.